How to clear cache in Telegram app for your Android device. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First of all, launch the Telegram app on your Android device. Once you are here, you have to tap on the three horizontal line or menu icon which is on the top left corner of the screen to open up your side menu. And you have to tap on the setting icon. Once you are here, you have to go for the access and data storage here. And under the data storage, you can see the clear cache option. So here you have to just go for your data storage or usage option, and you can reset the statistic, or you can go for the storage uses. Under your storage uses, you can see the clear cache. So you have to tap on the clear cache and go for the clear cache option. So after removing your clear cache, the temporary files, images, video, and other cache data stored by Telegram will be removed. So this will not delete your chat or media, it will only remove the cache data to free up space on your device. So if you want to more control over what get deleted, you can tap on the manage storage to selectively delete large data and files, or you can clear the data. So you can see that here. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.